Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I ordered saury from Fukushima. Maruyoshi Suisan's proud manufacturing method, sasaboshi. In fact, it was born out of the desire of the second generation, who originally disliked fish, to find a way to make Onahama fish delicious. The reason for his dislike of fish is the smell that comes from the internal organs and the fat around them. So he carefully removed the guts. Through repeated trial and error, a secret seasoning liquid was born, which is a blend of sasa, an old name for sake that removes odors. We devised a manufacturing method called sasaboshi, in which the leaves are soaked in this solution for a day and night, dried with cold air, and then frozen one by one. The dried fish that is completed in this way has less odor and bitterness, and is rich in the flavor of the fish. When grilled, a faint aroma of sake spreads through the fish, and the bones come apart nicely, making it a great dish that even people who don't like fish can enjoy. Grill for 5 minutes. Place the grated radish on top of the shiso perilla. This is an Okinawan lemon called shikawasa. It is refreshing and delicious when eaten with a squeeze of lemon and grated radish. Next, make the cooked rice. Add 1 cup of rice to the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of white dashi and add water. Place the saury on top of the kelp. Turn on the rice cooker and cook for 1 hour. Transfer the saury and kelp to another plate. Mix the rice well. Finely chop the kelp. Remove the bones from the saury. The head of this saury is also delicious to eat. Mix well with rice. Finish by adding shiso perilla at the end. The saury we used this time was saury that was landed after Fukushima's treated water was released. I eat fish every day. No problem at all. Tritium is released from nuclear power plants around the world. This is many times more than Japan. If you enjoyed this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.